Excuse me, brother. We are new here. Is there any five-star hotel? We want to stay here.
तो भाई इसको अंग्रेजी कहाँ आती होगी?
Sir, kindly tell me this address, please.
अबे यार इसको पढ़ना भी आता होगा क्या?
तो क्या करूँ? सिंधी में पूछूँ?
चल चल पूछ।
साईं असांखे होटल खपे कोई है यहाँ पे?
So you have to go 10 kilometers far, then you will check right. You will go 5 kilometers and you will take a flyover to the right. After the flyover, you will find a bank. Beside the bank, there is a 5-star hotel. That is the better hotel. English is a language, not knowledge. We can speak English, but we don't because this is our culture. This is Sindhi. We talk Sindhi because we love our culture. Never underestimate any nation. Even it's Mohajir, Punjabi, Pathan, Balochi, especially Sindhi, because we are Sindhi. We break bones, not hearts. And happy Culture Day. Mubarak ho jai Sindhi Diyaru.
Patrolling and trying to get me riding dirty, 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 trying to get me riding dirty. My music's so loud.
Sindhi गानों लगाए.
दिए सिंध वारा दियन सिंध को भी अजरक वारा दियन